General ventilation works great for most working environments. It provides a homogenic mix of healthy air, but in a workplace, where the work adds unhealthy particles to the air, for instance a welding facility, the general ventilation needs help to secure a safe working environment. During welding, there are up to 16 million harmful particles generated in every cubic centimetres of concentrated welding fumes. When using general ventilation only, the welder inhales these particles. The particles are also spread homogeneously in the room, affecting everyone present. During continuous welding, these harmful particles accumulate throughout the day, making the workplace a very dangerous place to be. Even after short-time welding, it takes hours to reduce the concentration to a safe level. When welding using a separate local extraction system, the outcome is totally different. An extraction arm, correctly positioned, eliminates almost all harmful particles at the source, protecting the welder and giving the general ventilation a chance to supply the workplace with clean air. Not only is the workplace now free from harmful particles, it's also a whole lot cleaner. The extraction arm removes most of the dust produced in the welding process, leaving the welders more time to produce and less time to keep the workplace clean. Correctly used, it is highly efficient and keeps the workers healthy. Fumex's main purpose is precisely that, making high-quality products and efficient local extraction systems that delivers a healthy outcome, giving you pure advantage.